Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, or you can see the current price point, if you can see it on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you are looking for a light source, either when you're working on your car or in the garage, maybe you're at a construction site. It is essentially a light bar by a company called MechaniLite, and this is the box that it's gonna come in. Obviously, you're gonna get an instruction manual that tells you about it. We're covering all the features here in the video. Now, this is battery powered, so you're gonna get a USB to USB Type-C cable. This is how you're gonna keep up that battery nice and charged. And then as you can see, here is the light bar itself. So I got the red one here. It looks really, really nice. Give you an idea of the size. It's about 1 3/4 inches in diameter, and it is 9.5 inches long, essentially. Now, as you saw, the feet here can rotate 180 degrees. So if you wish to have it mounted on like the hood of your car, there are super strong magnets here on the ends. These are N45 magnets, so it will stick to anything metal, and then you can sit there and adjust the middle light itself, because the middle part rotates 360 degrees. So you're gonna be able to get this light wherever you need. Now, if you just want it as a straight bar, you can do that as well. And then naturally also, it will sit on a surface. So like if you're working under the sink or something, you need some light, you can just set this down, rotate it up, and then you have a nice little light source itself. However, if you are working in the garage or construction site or something, you wanna hang this up, it has these nice little hidden hooks which rotate 360 degrees as well. And now you can just hang this up as a light bar and once again, have that light facing downward. So very, very flexible on how you can utilize this device, which quite frankly is pretty awesome. Now on the back, there's a little rubber door here. That's gonna have a USB Type-C and USB port. This is how you're gonna charge it up. You can obviously use the device as well as a backup battery. I don't really use it for that. I just simply use it for the flashlight mode itself, but you can if you're bringing this camping or something like that. Now, as far as the control, there is a little button right there on the front. Simply press that and will turn on. This thing is gonna have 3 different brightness levels / color temperatures, if you will. So as you can see, you're gonna have the first kind of mode that's got basically both light features on. Super, super bright. Maximum light level out of this thing is 3,000 lumens, and it has 81 different little LEDs here on it. So press it again and it'll turn off. Now, if you press it like right away, if you notice, that's when it changes your options. So then it has like a very warm kind of yellow light. That is the dimmest kind of option. And then you're gonna have the light level in between that has both the warm light and the bright white light set up. So you have bright white, you have warm, and then you have both as far as your lighting levels, and then it turns off. But overall, very, very, very cool. Now this thing does also have an IP54 weather rating. It also has an IK08 shatter rating, because once again, it's built tough. It is designed if it gets dropped and things like that. If you're on a construction site, it's made for being that kind of application. So if you are looking for a great little light bar to help you around on your various activities, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.